I'm going to give you two things. I'm going to give you most excited. I'm going to give you the most scared. I'm most excited about AI's ability to help HR do better, because if we all recall the 3 like it's dual model that came about 20 years ago, we've been told to stop doing administrative and operation work. We've just been able to do administrative and operation work a lot faster with the existing technology. And I think AI is the thing that's going to really remove us from that admin and operations equation. What am I scared of? I am scared of the industry not paying enough attention to the importance and criticality of data pipelining, and the biases that are currently sitting in their data pools before they adopt AI. AI is great. AI is great using your historical data. We all know the human conscience is flawed. So whether we like it or not, there's chances are there are unconscious biases coded into your historical data. So the question I would ask is, how are you going to use, the human at the center to allow AI to help you, but at the same time to prevent historical biases from happening in the future and really regressing HR back the last couple of years and all the strides that we've made in the DEI space?